Good afternoon, I'm Sid Kupong reporting news from around the world. The Philippine National Volunteer Service Coordinating Agency, or PNVSCA, honored the champions of volunteerism at the 2014 Search for Outstanding Volunteer. They received the nation's highest recognition at the awarding ceremony at the House of Representatives, Quezon City. According to the agency's Executive Director, Joselito De Vera, it is but right to acknowledge the inspiring dedication and invaluable commitment from the haven of modern-day heroes to show the public on how ordinary citizens and organizations incarnate extraordinary contributions for the country through their small yet priceless acts of service. 8 national awardees were selected by the SOV National Selection Committee amongst the 83 nominations received from all parts of the country this year. The Search for Outstanding Volunteers is the yearly centerpiece event in celebration of the National Volunteer Month every December. The annual activity aims to recognize the praiseworthy performance and dedication to services of Filipino volunteers across the nation in building strong communities and empowering lives. Until next time, I'm Sid Kupong reporting news from around the world.